There's always something good happening down in Texas.
Give a great welcome to the candidate for the Court of Appeals, Nora Longoria. Welcome. How are you?
Very good, Joe. Thank you so much for having me here today. I believe that every judge, you know, they take an oath, and when we get there,
is she a ventriloquist?
We follow the law, and we apply the law evenly to everyone. Everybody has their due day in court, and there are no.
We apply, but we don't have it applied to us, right?
It has nothing to do with fair and unbiased justice. Our judiciary should not be political.
Blink, blink, blink.
Daisy, McAllen police released this DVD from the traffic stop. Now, this is footage that the Hidalgo County DA's office says they never got and could have used to prosecute Justice Nora Longoria.
Just a totally innocent omission.
The dashcam video shows Longoria performing a field sobriety test. You can see she struggles to walk.
Looks like she's doing ballet.
She stumbles several times during this test. This copy of the stop has no audio, but police say in another
it's windy out here.
Pleading with the McAllen police officer.
She looks like she's trying to surf.
She allegedly tells him, "Please let me go home. I live a couple miles away. Ruin my life." Longoria failed the sobriety test, but refused to give a blood sample or submit to a breathalyzer. The case went to court November 20th, where charges were dropped. Hidalgo County DA Rene Guerra says prosecutors decided the case was not strong enough to take to court. Guerra says they didn't have this video and there wasn't sufficient evidence.
Didn't even go to court.
Police say they don't know why prosecutors didn't have it.
Well, the dashcam video would be considered new evidence, but it's evidence District Attorney Rene Guerra says he won't consider because the video should have been given to prosecutors from the beginning.
In the dashcam video, she looks like she's intoxicated. I agree to that.
He agrees to that.
The problem in the
so okay, well that's the case.
At the police department.
That's an open and shut case.
Hidalgo County District Attorney Rene Guerra showed us this video
given to
prosecutors in the DWI case against 13th Court of Appeals Justice Nora Longoria. Only 4 files were on the
How did this woman become a judge to begin with?
Dashcam video of Longoria during a sobriety test back in July after being pulled over for speeding. Instead, Guerra says they saw this video of Longoria at the McAllen police station.
I wonder how long my man's been passing for white.
I needed to see. In my opinion, at the police department, the judge did not look like she was drunk.
But in the police documents handed to the district attorney's office, there is mention of the dash cam video.
It's all about his opinion.
It's all about his opinion. According to my opinion, research shows that my opinion.
I saw 4 different entries, and I didn't see the video, so I didn't know whether the dash cam was recording or not. I didn't bother to ask, and that was my oversight.
Guerra says he will not reopen this case
despite
the new evidence, but
if I seen the dash cam video, I probably would have put her on a pretrial diversion program.
The equivalent to probation lasting anywhere from 6 months to 2 years.
People will judge their opinion. They will accuse the good old boy system, which is okay. I'm going out December 31st, and somebody else will have to face the rest of the public later on if they don't like it.
Let them blame the next guy.
Good old boy don't got nothing to do with you, dog.
Yeah, they aren't even going to remember my name.
And they don't have time to go and request evidence for each case. Well, the McAllen police chief says the video speaks for itself.
They're all processed the same way. And, you know, part of the discussion we've had over the last
Except for the ones that don't come in a timely fashion.
Maybe this was treated differently. No, there's no difference in this one.
Chief Rodriguez says prosecutors had access to the video.
In all cases, you know, we submit our files.
You got a coconut haircut.
All evidence in the case.
He says prosecutors typically visit the police station after the
Wait a minute. The chief says they had access, and the prosecutors said they didn't have access. Who's lying?
Can I show my badge?
I don't believe this case ever was seriously considered for prosecution.
Now today she said
Did she say badge or badge?
Night after she was reprimanded.
Yeah, it was flawed. I would just throw it out.
This all comes a week after the State Commission on Judicial Conduct issued a public
Can you slow down, please? I can't read that fast.
She's like, if you could just look at this document.
Longoria stating she became emotional and uncooperative during the arrest. The admonition
I'm so sorry that I got caught.
Widespread media attention her arrest received. Longoria released an apology which stated in part, "I apologize to the public, to my fellow judges, and to the law enforcement personnel who were involved."
You don't need no man to tell you nothing, girl.
DWI cases. Sentences for which the manner in which
that's her tears.
Our case filing procedure has worked.
He lied hard.
Are you kidding me? What a bunch of bullshit.
He said, if you look at the chemical X of the TY squared up next to the Bloomberg. Yeah.